OpenClaude just shipped with a free model built right into it. No API key, no sign up, nothing. One install and you basically have Claude Code running on a frontier model for free. I just set it up on my Mac. Let me walk you through it. So this thing is called OpenClaude. 26,000 stars on GitHub already. The wild thing is they took the actual Claude Code codebase and modified it to work with any model you want. Same /commands, same file tools, same MCP support, but you can swap the brain inside it. And as of last week, they shipped a built-in free option that runs on Xiaomi MiMo. Quick word on the model so you know what we are actually using. Xiaomi MiMo, 1 trillion parameters, 1 million token context, MIT licensed. So we are not running on some cheap free tier model. This is a real frontier coder. Okay, let me show you the install. I open my terminal, paste this command, sudo npm i-g at gitlab/openclaude at latest. Hit enter. It asks for my Mac password. I type it. Quick note, nothing shows on screen as you type your password. That tripped me up the first time. But that is just how Mac works. If you are on Windows, you do not need the sudo part, just the npm install command. Few seconds later, it finishes. I type OpenClaude, hit enter, and the agent opens up. Now I need to point it at the free model. Inside OpenClaude, I type /provider, hit enter. The provider manager opens up. I pick option 1, add provider. And look at this, a whole list of presets shows up. Anthropic, DeepSeek, Gemini, Grok. All the providers you would expect. But the first one, Gitlawb Opengateway with the word free in brackets, that is the one we want. I pick it. The default model is already filled in. MiMo v2.5 Pro. I just press enter to confirm. Added provider Gitlawb Opengateway now active. That is the whole setup. Let me test it real quick. I just type hello and it comes back. Hello, how can I help you today? Okay, so the agent is alive. But I want to be sure this is actually running on the free model and not falling back to something else. So I ask it directly. What model are you running on? And look at the answer. I am powered by MiMo v2.5 Pro. There it is. Frontier model, free, running on my terminal. That is it. A full Claude Code clone running on a 1 trillion parameter model. No money, no account. From here, you can ask it to build files for you, refactor your code, run commands, whatever you would use Claude Code for. If this helped, subscribe. Drop a comment with what you want me to build with this next. See you in the next one.